some pissed off emotion. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off emotion.
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here on the CBR, the new plastics. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen that already. And also what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get that out of the way. If you're not following me on Instagram, go over Hollarmoto on Instagram. Follow me. It's where all the good stuff gets posted. So, I really have nothing to talk about today. Except for, I made that video here a while back about hashtag support NBC, whatever the fuck it is, was a joke. I actually lost some subscribers over that. Like, y'all motherfuckers are hardcore about that shit. Y'all got butt hurt. And I don't care. I'm cool with that. I still think it's a joke. It's bullshit. But anyway, so I'm out here with my buddy Jay Russell with me, and Nicole and his girlfriend Audrey behind us in Audrey's car. We're actually going to take some pictures today. The CBR and Audrey's Ninja 650. I'm not sure if y'all will see Audrey's pictures, but you will see Nicole's pictures. Or at least most of them, some of them. I don't know. We'll see how the little photo shoot turns out. It is a hot day. It's like 90 degrees outside. Anyways, so yeah, like I said, we're about to take some pictures, see how that works. I hope I'm getting audio, because I tried to record a video the other day on this bike and I ended up getting no audio. Really fucking sucked. Also, if you guys could do me a favor, riderbagUSA.com. I'm holding a contest for the ambassadors. Me, a few other people. I'm not going to mention their names because I'm competing against them right now. Whoever makes the most sales, we'll get a little kickback at the end of the year, a little bonus. So, go over to riderbagUSA.com, and I actually got my new one on right now. Y'all can't see it because I don't have other camera, but I'll be having a video on it here very soon. But I got the new black reflective. It's amazing. I love it. riderbagUSA.com. If you're looking for a new backpack and you want to be reflective and seen at night, it's a great backpack to have. So if you're in the market for one, please head over to riderbagUSA.com. Check them out. If you want to order one, order it. use code Hollarmoto10, that code Hollarmoto10, and it'll get you a little bit of a discount. Got free shipping. They do ship all over, but I'm not 100% positive on the right now. They were there was some issues, but I think it's already been resolved. Man, it's a nice day. It's hot, but it's nice. So anyways, still getting comments on my old Fat Bob video, calling me a clown and shit. People are butthurt, man. I butthurt a lot of people. But I just wanted to make this a quick one. I really didn't have much to say. I wanted to, you know, talk shit on people for the whole, you know, unsubbing, because I called out hashtag support NBC as a joke. I thought that was funny. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. I'm gonna enjoy just riding with me and Jay and us out having a good time. So if you're new here, check out some of the other videos. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment, share. As always, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.